risk management, stop loss and take profit. You already do crypto. You know that when you buy an asset, for example, at $1, you buy an asset at the current price as at that time at $1 with, let's say, $100. And when the price of that asset goes to $10, you'll be in times 10 of the initial capital you used to buy the particular crypto asset, right? But then if the price goes below that $1, you'll be in loss, because that $1 is the price you bought the asset. So when price goes up, you didn't you I'm using spot aspects now. I'm not using forex terms, I'm using investment terms. That's why I will use bot. I will use the only buy, because in investment terms we only use buy compared to forex and futures. Futures, you are buying and you are selling, but investment, it's only one go, buy. That's how you gain, only buy. You understand? Now, as I was saying, you buy an asset at $1. When price goes above, like when the current price of that asset was $1, that's when you bought it. Now when price goes above that $1 to $2, you'll be in profit. When it goes to $3, you'll be in profit. When it goes to even 1.5, you'll be in profit. But when the price goes below that $1 to, let's say, 0.98, you'll be in drawdown. Your profit, your capital would have reduced in what? Your capital would have reduced because the current price you bought the asset as at when you bought it was $1, but now the current price of the asset has now gone below that $1, and that's why you'll be in loss. Yes, you'll be in drawdown. You would have lost certain amount of your capital. But then you know the rule of crypto, you only lose when you sell. So when you buy an asset with when it was $1, let's say you buy 100 of the coin, and when you bought with like $100, for example. So when the price goes below that $1 to, let's say, 0.5, the worth of that 100 coin you have would be $50. What you'll be seeing in your wallet will be $50. But then, is your investment gone? No, it's not gone. It's only gone when you sell at that loss. So you only lose when you sell in crypto. You know that. If you don't know that, if you didn't know that before now, that's an extra benefit. You understand? You only lose when you sell, because the market only reduced to $0.5. It's not permanent. When it goes upwards back to $1, you would get back your $100 you invested initially. Then when it goes above that $1, you'll be in profit. You'll be getting 100 something, and so on and so forth. Understand? So the 100 of the coin you bought is constant. It is the worth that decreases or increases. The 100 of the coin you bought is constant. It is the worth of the coin that either increases or reduces. Like the 100 of the coin now, for example, is $100. For example, you bought 100 of, let's say, Solana, 100 of Solana, and the worth of Solana, of that 100 Solana, is $100. So let's say you bought it at $1. So when Solana reduces to 0.5, the worth of Solana you'll be seeing in your wallet would be $50, but the 100 of that Solana will still be there. You'll still be seeing 100 Solana there. It's only the worth that reduced. So when the price goes back to $1, when the current price of Solana goes back to $1, you will see that your capital would go back to your capital, your 100 Solana worth will go back to $100. So when it goes above $1, you'll be seeing the worth as 100 something. You understand? You get the point, right? That's how it is for crypto. Only I made mention of the fact that in forex and futures, you buy and sell, unlike investment side of crypto. All right. So now, if you like for this trade now, the reason I bought this particular I bought this trade now, as you can see, I bought this market volatility 50. I bought it. Look at the price I bought it. The reason why I am in profit is because the price is above the particular price I bought the volatility 15 index. Look at it. Look at where I bought the asset. Look at where the price is. Are you seeing it? I bought it at 194.7587, but now the price is above because I bought. The price is one at 195.1418. That's why I'm again. If the price is below, if the price goes below this price, that the price I bought this asset, I'll be in loss. So if I sell, let me sell now. Let me sell. Let me just put that at 6. Then let me sell now. Then let me close down. Let me close the bear. So for this sale, as you can see, I just sold. The reason why I'm in loss is because I sold at 195.2248, but now the price is above the price I sold that this volatility 15 index. It's above it. When you sell, the only way you gain when you sell is when the price is coming downwards. It's when the current price of the asset is below the price, the particular price you sold the asset. So when you sell, the only reason you would gain, let's say you sell, the current price of the asset is at $1. When you sell, the only reason you would be in profit is when the price of the current price of the asset is now below the particular price you bought the asset. Below. When you sell, it has to the current price has to be below for you to be in profit. If the current price is above when you sold, if it's above when you sold, you'll be in loss. You'll be in loss because you sold. The current price ought to be below the particular price you sold the asset, and not above. If it's below, you'll be in profit. If it's above, you'll be in loss. So when you buy, let's say you buy this volatility 15 index at $1, the only time you'll be in profit is when the market price is above the particular price you bought the volatility 15 index above. If the current price of the volatility 15 index is below the particular price you bought the volatility 15 index, if the current price is below the particular price you bought the asset, you'll be in loss because you bought. Since you bought, the market price ought to be above for you to gain and not below. If it's above, you'll be in profit. If it's below, you'll be in loss. All right. So look at this trade now. Remember, I sold this asset and the current price is above the price I sold the asset. So I'll be in loss. See, I'm in loss because the price I sold this asset, the current price now is now above the price I sold the asset above. But now, as you can see, it's equal. You saw 0.00 here at first because it was equal. The price I sold the asset and the current price was they were at equilibrium. They were equal, and that's why you saw 0.00. So remember, when you sell an asset, you gain when the current price is below the price you sold that asset. You gain. That's when you gain. When you buy an asset, you gain when the current price is above that price you bought that asset. Instant. So it's very important you know this. So where then does risk management come in?
Jesus said, "Take heed, therefore, that the light which is in thee be not darkness." When a room is dark, you use light to find your way. The light helps you to locate your path, your direction, and you don't stumble. But Jesus is saying, be careful so that what directs your path in life is not an evil desire. That's what it means for light to be darkness. Be careful lest what define your choices, what determine your decisions are evil desires. You see, every day you are going to make decisions, you're going to make choices. But what is driving all that? If it is an evil desire, at the end of it, sin is produced, which will, among every other consequence, attract an eternal punishment at the end of your life.